Welcome to baby's name.
Nepali baby girl name starting with Z letter, name and meaning. First name Ji, meaning happy. Jia meaning light. Next name Jil meaning a river. Next Joy meaning life. Next name that is Joel meaning blessing of God. Next that is Jui meaning very beautiful. Jain meaning great. Next Jala meaning shininess. Next name Jama meaning fly. Jana meaning flow of water. Next there is Jan meaning favor, praise. Jara meaning princess. Jaya meaning hope, faith, blessing. Next name Jain meaning that is beauty. Jil meaning waterfall. Next Jil meaning waterfall. Jena meaning moon. Next Jenny meaning that is noble. Jayo meaning rounded. Next name Jil meaning lake, river. Next Jin meaning soft. Jia meaning light. Next Jial meaning lake, a river. Jila meaning shadow, flower. Next there is Jil meaning shadow. Jina meaning name, a beauty. Next Jinu meaning cheerful, beautiful. Next Jita name meaning harvest, seeker. Next name that is Jiva meaning life, radiant. Jivi meaning radiant. Jiwa meaning woman of the lake. Next name Jia meaning source of light. Next Joy meaning that is life, responsible. Joha meaning light. Next name June meaning moon. Jora meaning daybreak. Next name that is Joya meaning fragrance of heaven. Next name Jubi meaning loving. Juha meaning morning star. Next Juhi meaning jasmine flower. Jalf meaning dark complexion. Next name Juma meaning Friday. Juri meaning beautiful, white. Next name Jaya meaning splendor. Next Jina meaning welcoming. Jai meaning name of a flower in Marathi. Next name Jara meaning light, brave, beautiful flower. Next Javia meaning female gazelle. Next name Johar meaning morning light. Jahin meaning that is wise, clever. Next name that is Jara meaning radiant, beautiful. Jaira meaning to raise, boost. Next Jaifa meaning gift of God. Next Jaima meaning leader, dignity. Next name Jaina meaning lovely, pretty. Jaira meaning guest, visitor. Next name Jaki meaning virtuous. Jakia meaning purely righteous. Next name Jalak meaning instant appearance. Next Jalfa meaning distinguished woman. Jaman meaning blessing of God. Jamku meaning that is queen. Janat meaning heaven. Janha meaning famous. Next name there is Jani meaning God grace. Jansi meaning name of a queen. Next name there is Jaral meaning easy. Jaria meaning princess. Jarka meaning red, blue eyes. Next name Jarma meaning captivating. Jarna meaning a small stream of sweet water. Next Jasi meaning moon. Jeka meaning flavor. Jena meaning beauty, grace. Next name Jina meaning life of Jias, hospitable. Next name Jivar meaning jewelry. Jiva meaning beautiful. Jima. Next name that is Jina meaning a hospitable woman. Next name Jiva meaning brilliance. Next Jia meaning splendor. Jehak meaning smile. Jihar meaning poison. Next name that is Jeva meaning gold. Next Jena meaning beautiful. Jera meaning flower. Jelam meaning name of river in Punjab. Next name Jelda meaning fighting in darkness. Next name Jenal meaning peaceful.